Credit card debt cycle na normal lang. Are you using credit cards to manage cash flow? If you have been doing this for years, baka debt cycle na yan at hindi real cash flow management. Let me share about Yen, who owns a milk tea shop that has been running for 6 years. Tatlo yung kanyang credit card, and for 4 years, she used them to buy ingredients and equipment, telling herself, temporary lang, next month babayaran ko to in full. But next month, there's always something new. Supplies, repairs, small equipment. So she paid only the minimum plus a little extra. And then the cycle continued. Now, one afternoon, she finally added everything up and the total balance on cards was really shocking. Monthly interest plus occasional late fees, a big chunk of her income na pupunta diretso sa mga bangko instead of her business. Kaya over years, na-realize niya na siguro yung binayaran niya hundreds of thousands in just interest. Money that did not grow her business at all. Sayang, di ba? So for many business owners, credit card debts parang normal lang. You call it working capital. Pero high interest is not financing. It's slowly drowning your profit and your business. Kaya ito yung ginawa ni Yen. Hininto niya na ang paggamit ng cards for operations. Immediately, he made a strict payment plan for 18 months. Medyo matagal-tagal kasi malaki-laki na yung utang niya. Tapos, she cut some personal expenses temporarily and even sold mga unused equipment para makapagbigay siya ng mas malaking payment sa kanyang mga credit card debt. Kaya after 18 months, she was debt-free. Now, she only uses cards if she can pay the full balance that month. Break the cycle na anak. Stop using cards to run your business. Make a realistic payment plan and then commit to it. Hindi ka naman nagtrabaho ng ganito kahirap para payamanin lang ang mga bangko, right? Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.